this is 200cc item rain. This is going to be crazy. We've got, first of all, Woohoo Island. And this is my first time playing on, oh geez. Oh, there we go. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. It's already crazy. Okay. It's already nuts. No! I didn't get it. Alright, well, it's been a while since I played on CTGP, and oh wow, this is already crazy. Oh wow. You just barely missed the, I feel like I just barely missed these. I fell off. I knew it. Oh no. Let's try to stay alive at least, because holy. Okay, I got these guys shocked. Oh man, the lag's happening. Oh geez. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I'm alive. I'm alive. I made it. I thought it was over. Jeez. I fell off once and I thought, oh man, this was gonna be over for me, but we are doing decent. We are doing all right. So we got Zorin knocked out and six more people. We need to play seriously. We need to make sure that we don't get knocked out. Luckily, we only have to worry about not getting last, which should be helpful to us. All right. Oh geez. Watch out for all the items. No! I get bombed immediately. All right, let's try not to. Oh jeez. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. We are in last. We are in dead last. That's the last place we want to be. And wow, it is so hard to control 200cc. No! No! Oh, that is scrub dodge. Let's go. Oh, wow. 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 We were so close to getting owned there. Okay. Let's make sure to have an item on us. Dang, we could have gone for that star, but that was a little bit too wide, so I don't think that was worth it. I haven't seen a single bullet, unfortunately, and that might not bode well for us because we kind of need those oh man, I'm going too fast. I need to shock everyone. Everyone's, oh there we go. That's actually kind of helpful. Oh geez, I can't, I was out of control there. Jeez. Dang it, I keep on missing the power items. It's going to ruin me, but it looks like everyone's super far behind. This is the only thing. And okay, come on, let's not fail this. Let's not fail this. Okay. That was really close. And we got a bonus. That's fantastic. It's very helpful for us. And Nick's out. Oof. Okay, final 5. Delfino Island. This is the land of shortcuts and also the land of out of bounds areas that don't look like out of bounds until you realize where they actually are. Oh geez. Oh geez. I am okay. I just needed to get the shortcut. Okay. Yep. I jumped at the wrong time. Oh geez. Oh geez. Oh geez. Oh geez. And I'm in the out of bounds. Oh, I'm just barely hanging on. No. We are good. Oh. I'm barely making it. Oh, I forgot. No, I went way out of bounds. No. Oh man. Okay, come on. Let's take this. And we are good. We're alive. Yep, okay, I knew it was gonna fall off. I've decided to take the safe route. Yeah, now. Oh, man. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, we're fine. We're good. We're alive. Whew. I feel like I just made it. Okay, another bonus. Fantastic. A product out? I don't know how to say the name. Okay, this one is actually kind of tough. Oof. Because we are trying to bounce on mushrooms and also trying to... Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. I am doing fantastic for someone who's really not confident in my ability to... I'm taking, like, all the cuts, too. Oh, man. Okay, yeah, I screwed that up. Okay, let's do a little better. Okay. I screwed up. There we go. We can try to go for that. Nope. 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 Oh, man. Okay. 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 Whew. 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 This is panic-inducing. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Come on. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm just making monkey noises the entire time because that's all I can do. I'm freaking out because I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but like, oh man, that was close. That was close. In some cases. Another bonus for me. Let's go. 3 bonuses going into the last 3. Oh my god. I am very, 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 very excited. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Okay, this track's hard. This track is hard, but I am making it work. Okay. Oh shoot, it's not gonna take the shortcut, is it? Dang it. Whatever. I made it. I made it to the finals. All right, this is the finals. Ooh, boy. This is going to be very interesting. I do say so myself. Oh jeez, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. If I can't find all the power items. Yeah, I'm already far behind. Oh no. Are you kidding me? No! Oh. I'm going for this. There's no way I'm not going for it. Oh, man. Oh, no. I'm already so far behind. Yeah, it's over for me. It is over for me. Are there any bullets? Could I maybe bring this one home? Make an epic comeback? I swear, every time it gets stuck. Oh man. Well, that was a good try. It was a decent try, but you know. I knew that was how it was gonna end. Congrats to Johnny for winning. That'll be all for me. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.